Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ruben Cusceno and this video is part of our Cisco SecureX series. Previously, we discussed available regions, authentication methods, set up an account, dashboard walkthrough, and system services components overview. In this video, we are going to do a quick tour on the Cisco SecureX and learn integration modules available including third-party, orchestration, ribbon feature, tiles and custom dashboards, news feature, and how to invite your team members to use Cisco SecureX platform. Before we start, I would like to say welcome to SecureX, the broadest and most integrated platform for your security needs. You will need to begin by integrating the applications you currently use and then configure your dashboard, as we did on our previous video, just to show you. This quick tour will get you started. So when you first sign on to SecureX, you must configure the integration modules for your Cisco products. We can use the integrations tab at the top of the page for configuration and for more information. So this is going to be here, is going to be the current modules that we have configured, right? And those are the Umbrella and Secure Orchestrator. But of course you have other available integrations, such as AMP for Endpoint, Cisco Defense Orchestrator, but also third-party ones, like Google Safe Browsing, Microsoft Secure Graph. We will definitely do a specific videos for some of those, for sure. So these are the integrations part of it. So you can always find integrations, as I mentioned, on this specific tab. The orchestration beta. So this is really important because currently the orchestration is in beta mode, and I already request access. So in your case, after you click here on the beta, you'd have here an option saying request beta access. So once you click on the button, you will get definitely a page like this one. So you requested the access to it, so you're gonna get notified via email when the access is available. So I've requested this 24 hours ago, so it haven't come through, but definitely I would probably say today should be ready to go. So the orchestration page, of course, provides the ability to automate security processes such as threat investigation, hunting, and remediation. The organization administrator must activate SecureX orchestration, as I mentioned. So before you can start using the workflow automation features to be available to users. A really interesting as well is the ribbon. The ribbon feature of SecureX provides access to casebook. Okay, let me open it. So if we open it, we're gonna have here the settings. So this is gonna be the security ribbon. So we're gonna have access to directly to the casebooks, the incidents, the orbital queries, and the settings. So you can start. The ribbon is persistent. So as you move around, the SecureX. So this is the ribbon. Yes. Now I think it's important. Well, we already covered this, but just in case that you forgot it. So you also can look at here your settings of your profile, that you can see the system components behind it, what theme that you would like to use, the light or the dusk one. So this is how it looks like. If you go on your settings, you also can see what kind of account that you currently have and what specific user role that you are in. So in this case, I'm in the admin role. And if you go here, you can actually have your settings change in terms of email, password, and SecureX sign-on as well. If you want to, for example, use the Google Authenticator, for example. We're not going to go through there at the moment, but that is something else you can do. So once you are here on your main dashboard, you definitely can select the tiles for your dashboard here. So you can also create up to 5 custom dashboards for organizing your tiles. So I'm going to hit here new dashboard, let's say SecureX series. Okay, this, and I will select well, I will select all of those really, so we can see exactly what it looks like. So I'm creating a dashboard, and that dashboard will have those tiles. Right? So, and of course I can customize this back if I don't want if there is any more tiles, for example, or if I want, for example, delete the dashboard even. Okay, so at the moment we're just going to show here. So these are going to be the tiles that we currently have. Of course, I don't have any data. So later on, when we start making the integrations, we will see this deeper, but at the minute, it's just the way it looks like. You definitely can change here the time frame for it. And as I mentioned before, you can have up to 5 new dashboards. If you want to change this particular dashboard and you want to change the tiles or even add other integrations, you would be able to actually jump on the available tiles and hit here and save. So we should be able now to have the other tile here somewhere. Here you go. Doesn't have any data on it. Yeah. So if you want to stop using this tile, you go to customize and actually you go and hit delete dashboard. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes, sure. You go delete it, and it's blank again. So you can start create a new dashboard from scratch, for example. The news features. The news feature is of SecureX provides updates for company-wide wide announcements, industry news, and security blog posts that matter to you. So you will find here from the Cisco security team, Talos intelligence, and other ones as well. US CERT, for example. If you think that you don't want to kind of waste this corner, so you can actually hide it. You can collapse the news. Okay, if you want to bring it back, you go and hit again, and there you go. All right, you can also invite. By the way, you can also invite new users to join SecureX on the administration page. Only administration will be able to add new users, of course. So at the moment, this is the only user. If I want to add another user, I will hit the email and select the role that I want him into. Of course, the user will be, the role user will give you only access to create casebooks, but not actually create integrations and other things. That is under the administrator role. If you want to learn more, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.